Hi there. This is a little series that I might start just for you, and I think my other clients could probably benefit from it too. I'm going to call it Have You Ever Wanted to? Have you ever wanted to put text on an image that you just didn't have enough room for at the top or the bottom? Let me come back away from this a little bit. And so I want to put some text at the top of this image. I do not want the text to be on his little faded out hand here. I could just put it on there, but I really want some space just for the text, and it's just not able to do it. So how can I increase the image at the top and not make it look like it's a different color or something like that, make it look like it's the same color? Just want to make this right here extend up a little bit further. Now if I bring it down, I have a white background on here, but no matter what color background it is, you'd be able to see it there. Even if I made it a transparent background, it would turn white when I turn it to a JPEG, and of course we know that. But I do want about that much space at the top. So here's what I did. I actually created, just copied out a little bit of the exact area that I wanted. Gratefully, with this particular photo, there's nothing blocking me from getting that piece right there. And then I'm going to get on my scale tool, and I'm just going to make that piece come all the way out here and all the way out here. And I'm going to bring it up some, because of course I don't want it to interfere with his hand. Then I'll put my scale tool on again and just drag it up to the top. And when I come away, when I deselect that, it's virtually impossible to see that I added some space to the top there. And of course I can make this little piece the same size as the image, or I can just trim the whole image so that it is the same size as the image. Now I'm ready to just put my text on there. Okay, and that makes it, to me, a lot better than just putting it in his hand. It's just right there. And I didn't make my image any larger or smaller. Okay, hope this was helpful to you. Talk to you in the next video. Bye-bye.